Here we have the Powlite power strip with 8-foot cord. Surge protection with 12 AC outlets and 4 USB ports. This power strip is an essential part to my computer desk build. Currently I have one on the back of my desk powering my computer and everything on top of my desk, and the other one is on my newly built power wall right above my workstation. The black color makes it blend in very nice, and it has a low profile design. The outlets are smartly spaced, giving you room for those extra large chargers. And on the inside you have a row of USB ports. Pretty great deal for 12 power outlets and 4 USB ports. You can hardly go wrong with picking one of these up.